Hi, my name is Bill Logan. I am on the board of directors of the Hike Preserve and take care of trees for a living, and I write books about them too. And I just love the yellow birch, of which there are many in the Hike Preserve. I wanted to look with you today at the creativity of the roots of that tree, so let's get going. Here we're going to look at the creativity of the roots of yellow birches. Yellow birches like to sprout in places where other things can't, like on stumps and in hummocks, like in a wetland, on a little bit of dry stuff, like here. The yellow birch right in front of us and the one behind it. There it is. And look where it's put its root system. So its roots had to start right there on top of that little mound of dry soil, but they had nowhere else to go because there's water all around them. So they spread, and they spread, and they spread, and they spread, until finally over here, they reach dry land. Here's an even better one. Look at this tree. What an amazing tree. Yellow birch again, right in the same area. It's on a little bit of dry land, but look what happens to it as it gets on its search for a place to put its root system. See how it starts there and then almost jumps up, goes all the way over until it finds dry land and is able to anchor itself. I think, given the big arch in the roots there, I think what happened is the tree started to fall over, but had just enough purchase over here in the dry land that it was able to stand up, and has now been here for many years. And you can see the extraordinary ramification, how many subroots these roots have put on. Look at this, it's like anacondas. Isn't that beautiful? There's a bunch more of the same thing. I'm just going to show these to you, and you can pick out where the root systems are. You can almost always see it because a major root, like there, starts out and heads for the dry land and becomes very large. Here's another one where it was easier to find the dry land, so out it comes. Here's another where it looks like there was a tree. There's the root system, but the tree is missing. The tree failed. There's the root system, lacking the tree. Here is a yellow birch doing what they very frequently like to do, which is to use the dead stump of another tree as the base on which to grow. You can see that this one is growing atop a dead stump, and it has sent its roots down from where the stump originally was. The stump is partly decayed away, but you can see that the roots of the tree have now managed to reach all the way down and into the soil and through what remains of the old stump. Just because a birch looks for a way to stand up and put out its roots from a hummock in the wetlands, it doesn't always succeed. Here's one that has actually failed and fallen over. It fell over in a big windstorm last year, and you can see as we get up close to the root system how widespread it was, but it never managed to get to a good place in the land. There's one spot here, but all the way over there, all of those little lines, green lines, are sections of the root system that were traveling straight across the top of the wetland in order to find a dry space, but they didn't quite get there before a big storm took the tree down.